Good morning, students. Exercise 2.2. Find the perimeter and area of the figures given below. Find the perimeter and area of the figures given below. Pi value equal to 22/7. You substitute there. Given the figure is, see there, rectangle shape. How to find this is rectangle shape? Length is 10 meter, breadth is there given in 7 meters. So given the shape is first rectangle. There here you see that full now closed means half circle is there have. So circle half is semicircle. Given the two figure is, what is the figure? First one is rectangle, second one is semicircle. Perimeter of the given figure. What is the meaning of perimeter? The outer boundary have the numbers you want to add. Here 10 meter means here also 10 meter. This is the semicircle. There are half of the circle is this. So given the figure, perimeter find there. So outer boundary add the value. First value number is, what is the number? 10. 10 meter you write plus 7 meter. Next 10 meter plus half of perimeter of the circle. Half of the perimeter of the circle. So these three numbers add, get the answer equal to 27. Half or half you write. Perimeter of the circle formula is 2 pi r. Perimeter of the circle formula equal to 2 pi r. 27 plus 1 by 2 into, here have the 2 you write, into pi value is question from there given in 22/7 into r value equal to this full is diameter. Half is how much there? Here 7 centimeter, 7 meter, here also 7 meter. So this full length is 7 meter, 7 half. This is the radius. This is the radius. So 7 by 2, here 7 by 2. Now r value equal to radius, r equal to 7 by 2 meter. Substitute this value here. Equal to 22/27 plus 2 cancel. 7 cancel. 1 2 is to 11 2s are 22. 27 plus 11 equal to 38 meter. Step 2, they are asking in perimeter and area. 2 also find. Perimeter is found there. Next you find in the area. Area of the given figure. What is the figure and all? There have rectangle and semicircle. So area of the rectangle want to find. Area of the semicircle there want to find there. Area of the rectangle equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. Area of the rectangle formula is L into B minus perimeter of the rectangle, area of the semicircle equal to pi r square by 2. Okay, area of the circle formula equal to pi r square, half for there by 2 right square units. L into B value. L value equal to 10 meter. B value equal to 7 meter. L value equal to 10 meter. B value equal to 7 meter. So 10 into 7 plus minus pi value equal to 22/7. I am writing here, see, by 1 by only I am write there. How to substitute that value? See that 22/7. This is the pi value. There question from there have a by 2 for, you write it 2 here. R value equal to 7 by 2. So r squared for 7 by 2, 2 times write. 7 up you write, 2 is writing down. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 2 times write, meter square square units. 10 sevens are 70 minus 7 cancel. 2 into 11, 2 11s are 22. So 11 into 7 equal to 77/4. So do in the cross multiplication. 1 4 is 4. 4 into 70 equal to 280. 1 into 77 equal to 77. So 280 minus 77 equal to 203. 203/4. 280 minus 77 equal to 203/4. Divide and write means answer equal to 50.75 meters squared. So this sum for 2 work is there. Have a perimeter also want to find. Next area also find. Step 1, step 2 find and do it the work. Second sum, see the figure. This inside have the shape is, what is the shape? Rectangle shape. This is the quadrant. Quadrant meaning is how to there. This is the circle. This is semicircle. There to half is, what is that one? Quadrant of the circle. This is the quadrant of the circle. This is one quadrant. This one also one quadrant. So this shape is quadrant of the circle. How many quadrant is there have? 2 quadrant of the circle is there have. First find in the perimeter. Perimeter of the given figure. Step 1. Perimeter of the given figure. Add the outside of all the length. Add the outside all the length. 3.5 first. Next 6 cm 6. Next down 3.5 6 plus how 2 quadrant is there. So 2 quadrant perimeter of the circle. 2 quadrant is there have 2 right. Perimeter of the circle equal to quadrant for you write in 1 by 4. Perimeter of the circle formula equal to 2 pi r. Okay, now 2 for 2 you write. Quadrant for quadrant is 1/4. So one circle from there 4 quadrant is there have. So here given in 1 quadrant 1 by 4 into 2 pi r is the formula, perimeter of the circle formula. This all the number 3.5 not 3.5 plus 6 plus 3.5 plus 6. These 4 numbers add and get the answer equal to 19 plus symbol 2 into quadrant 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. 19 that same right plus 2 into 1 by 4 into 2 into pi value equal to 22 by 7. R value equal to, this is one radius, R value equal to 3.5 centimeter. So substitute 3.5 here. Next 19 plus 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 cancel. The 7 and 3.5 want to strike out. 1 7 is 7, not possible, 0, 5 7s are 35. So remaining number is 22 into 0.5, multiply and get the answer equal to 11.0. 0 is no variable. 19 plus 11 equal to 30 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the given figure equal to 30 centimeter. Second step, area of the given figure, area of the rectangle. What is the shapes and all? There have rectangle and the quadrant. So area of the rectangle plus area of 2 quadrant circle. Area of the 2 quadrant circle. Area of the rectangle formula equal to L into B plus area of the 2 quadrant of the circle for 2 quadrant is there. First you write in 2 into 1 by 4 quadrant of the circle formula equal to 1 by 4 into pi r square square units. So L value equal to 6. L value equal to 6. B value equal to 3.5 centimeter plus 2 into 1 by 4 into pi value equal to 22 by 7. R value equal to 3.5. R squared for 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter squared. Must you write in the square units there. These two number you multiple. 6 into 3.5 equal to 21.0. 0 is no variable plus 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22, 1 7 is 7, 3.5 1 cut means 0.5 is the answer. So answer is 11 into 0.5 into 3.5. These three numbers multiply and get the answer equal to 19.25. Add and write 21 plus 19.25 equal to 40.25 centimeter square. Perimeter of the given figure equal to 30. Now length value equal to, see that this is the length value, this is the breadth value. L value equal to 6 centimeter, B value equal to 3.5 centimeter. This is the radius. These 3 values also substitute here in area of the rectangle and area of the quadrant of the circle to substitute and get it the answer equal to 40.25 centimeter square. Second question, find the area of the shaded part of the following figure. Pi value equal to this sum for you substitute in 3.14. Before sum is 22 by 7, this one for 3.14. So given this figure, full shape is, what is the shape? Square. How to find this is square? One length only, the side is there given. So all the sides are equal. First of all you write in 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay, now first given the shape is square, inside see there all the one is quadrant of the circle. How many quadrants of the circle is there? Have a 4 quadrant of the circle. So first you find in the area of the shaded figure only asking. First outside is, what is that one? First one is square. Second one, 4 quadrant of the circle. 4 quadrant of the circle. Okay, first find in the outside is what is the showing. First you find there. Area of the square. Area of the square formula equal to a square square units. A value is 10 whole square centimeter square. 10 into 10 equal to 100 centimeter square. Second step, area of the 4 quadrant of the circle. 4 you write. Quadrant of the circle formula equal to 4 into 4 for right, pi quadrant of the circle formula equal to pi r squared by 4. Pi r squared by 4. So pi r square 4 you strike out. Now over the work remaining is what is there, have 20 pi r squared. Pi value equal to question from there given in 3.14. This value substitute here. 3.14 into r value equal to this full also radius. See there the quadrant of the circle, this full also radius, half is diameter. Full is diameter, half is radius. Full length is diameter, half. 10 half is how much there? 5 centimeter. Here 5 centimeter. Now radius of the quadrant of the circle is 5 centimeter. So 3.14 into 5 squared for 5 into 5 multiple and write 78.5 centimeter squared. Area of the 4 quadrant of the circle is 78.5 centimeter squared. Next, step 3. Area of the shaded portion is asking. Step 1 minus step 2. Step 1 minus step 2 minus and write. 100 minus 78.5 centimeter squared. 100 point here have not have the 0 point, you write in 0.00, 78.50. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 cut. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 21.50 centimeter square. Next question, see the figure. They are given in the full half circle. First one is, what is that one? Half circle. So half circle is called the semicircle. Next, inside have the figure is, what is the figure? Triangle. Inside have the figure is the triangle. So first step, area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle formula pi r squared by 2 square units. Pi value equal to 3.14 into r value equal to, see there, r value, this is the radius. This is the radius. R equal to 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7 divided by, question from formula 2 that have the by 2 you write. These 2 and 7 you strike out 3.5. 3.5. So 3.14 into 3.5 into 7 multiple and get it, the answer equal to 76.93 centimeters squared. Step 2, area of the triangle. Next shape is, what is the shape? Inside have the shape is the triangle. Triangle formula equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into b into h square units. 1 by 2 into b value equal to 14. How to they find in b value? This is 7 meter. Here also 7 centimeter. Here also 7 centimeter. This full base value equal to 7 plus 7 equal to 14 centimeter. Now b value equal to 14 centimeter. B equal to 14 centimeter. H equal to 7. Height h equal to 7 centimeter. Substitute this two value here. 1 by 2 into 14 into 7. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49 centimeters square. 14 only strike out. This is can't able to strike out. So 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49. Area of the shaded portion, step 1 minus, step 2 the minus. 76.93 minus 49. 2 also minus and get it, answer equal to 27.93 centimeters square. Third question, find the area of combined figure. Full area find there. Combined figure, two figure is combined. How to there find? Here you one line. This is one parallelogram. This is another one parallelogram. How to find this is the parallelogram? Sides, first two sides, this side and this side is also equal. Here 8 centimeter, here also 8 centimeter. This side also equal. Next this side also equal. This is the two parallelogram. Question from also the writing in the two parallelogram. This is one parallelogram. This is one parallelogram. Total number of the parallelogram equal to two parallelogram is there have. This height, full height is 6 centimeter. So this height is how much there? Here 6 full height. Here to here up to 6 centimeter means here also 3 centimeter. Here 3 centimeter. Now one height value equal to one parallelogram height is what is the height? 3 meter. Find the given which is got by the joining of two parallelograms. So given the figure is area of the parallelogram find. So total number of the parallelogram equal to two parallelograms. So area of two parallelogram equal to base equal to 8 centimeter. This is the base. This is the base. 2 also equal for one time only write. Base equal to 8 centimeter. Height equal to 3 centimeter. Two parallelogram is there given for 2 into B into H. Area of the parallelogram formula equal to B into H is the formula. 2 into 8 into 3. 2 8s are 16. 16 3s are 48. 48 centimeter square. Fourth question. Find the area of the combined figure given. They are given in the combined figure. Formed by joining a semicircle of a diameter 6 centimeter. Semicircle of the diameter equal to 6 centimeter with a triangle of base 6 centimeter. So the same also the triangle base also 6 centimeter. This is the semicircle diameter also 6 centimeter. One triangle base also 6 centimeter. So two figure also combined there. The triangle height is there given in 9 centimeter. Pi value equal to 3.14. Substitute and do the sum. They are given in the figure. What is the figures and all they have? This is the semicircle. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. Okay. First find in the area of the semicircle. 2 also add and write. Plus 2 area of the triangle. Area of the semicircle formula pi r squared by 2 plus 2 into area of the triangle. 2 into 2 triangle is there. How do they find perpendicular for this is one triangle. This is one triangle. So total number of the triangle is how much triangle is there? Have 2 triangle is there. So 2 into 1 by 2 into area of the triangle formula 1 by 2 into B into H square units. Now substitute that value only there. 3.14 pi value equal to 3.14 r value equal to this is the diameter. This is the semicircle for this is the diameter. D equal to 6 centimeter. R equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3 centimeter. R value equal to 3 centimeter. This value here you substitute 3 into 3. R squared for 2 times you write 3 into 3 divided by here have the 2 formula you write it here 2 plus 1 2 into 1 by 2 into base equal to 3 centimeter. Now this first one triangle for base equal to 3 here also 3. Full value equal to 6. So half is this divided by perpendicular line for 3 here 3. Now radius equal to 3. Base also 3. The triangle for base equal to 3 centimeter. Height equal to 9 centimeter. 1 by 2 into B value equal to 3 into H value equal to 9. 2 strike out there. 1 2 is 2. Here multiple and write means answer is 1.5. 1.5. 3.14 1.5 into 3 you multiply and get the answer equal to 14.13 plus 9 7s are 9 3s are 27. Add and get the answer equal to 41.13 centimeter square. Now area of the given figure equal to 41.13 centimeter square. Approximately they are writing the value equal to 14.13. Fifth question, the doormat which is hexagonal in shape has the following measures as given in the figures. Find its area. This is one doormat is there given. See that this one also one parallelogram trapezium. This is one trapezium there. Two trapezium is there have. A value equal to 90 centimeter. B equal to 70. Height value, this full value equal to they are given in 70. Half is one trapezium height. Two trapezium. This is one trapezium. This one also another one trapezium. So total number of the trapezium equal to two trapeziums is there. So height equal to this one height equal to 70 divided by 2 equal to 35 centimeter. Now height value equal to 35 centimeter. These all values substitute in trapezium formula. Total number of the trapezium is 2 trapezium. So area of the 2 trapezium equal to 2. This 2 trapezium for write it true. Plus into trapezium formula 1 by 2 into h into a plus b square units. So 2 into 1 by 2 into h value equal to 35. Start the bracket. A value is 90, B value is 70. 90 plus 70 equal to 160. 2 you strike out. 35 into 160 equal to 5600 centimeter square. Area of the door equal to 5600 centimeter square. Sixth question. A rocket drawing has the measures as given in the figure. Find its area. So this is the rocket shape. This is the rocket shape. This shape is what is the shape? Trapezium. This shape is the trapezium. Next, this shape is rectangle. This shape is the rectangle. This shape is the triangle. Trapezium formula 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. This is height. This is one side is a, another one side is b. You there have the value. Next, triangle formula also 1 by 2 into b into h. Base height. Here 30 centimeter means here also 30 centimeters. Base and height is there have. Rectangle for there have in the length value. Find the b value. Full length values that are given. Rocket that up and bottom up to that are given in 120 centimeter. So how to they find here already this up to what is there given 20. Here to here 20. 20 plus 20 equal to 40. 120 minus 40 equal to 120 minus 40 equal to 80 centimeter. This is the B value. This value substitute that. B equal to 80 centimeter. Now area of the trapezium, area of the rectangle, area of the triangle. These three values also add and get it the answer. This is the full rocket area. Area of the given figure. Area of the trapezium plus area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Area of the trapezium formula equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. Write it the formula plus area of the triangle area of the rectangle L into b plus area of the triangle 1 by 2 into b into h square units. Now h equal to 20. A value equal to 50, b value equal to 30. See there, h equal to 20, a value is 50, b value equal to 30 centimeter. So substitute this value 1 by 2 into h is 20, start the bracket 50 plus 30 plus area of the rectangle L into b. L value equal to 80 centimeter, b value equal to 30 centimeter. L value equal to 80 centimeter, B value equal to 30 centimeter. These two also substitute here. 80 into 30 plus 1 by 2 into B value equal to 30, H value equal to 20 centimeter square. Now 1 into 20 you divide. 1 2 is to 10 2s are 20. 10 into 50 plus 30 equal to 80 plus these two number multiple. 8 3s are 24. There have the two zeros, write it here. Plus 1 by 2 into, so these two number you multiple, 1 2 is to 10 2s are 20, 30 into 10 equal to 100, 1 3 is 3, the 2 0 right, centimeter square, all the one add and write, 800 plus 2400 plus 300. All the numbers add and get the answer equal to 3500 centimeter square. This is the area of the rocket. Therefore, area of the rocket equal to area of the rocket. (3,500 centimeters squared). Last question. Find the area of the irregular area of the, this is not of the proper figure, irregular shapes, polygon shaped field given below. Find its this area. So see the shape first, very carefully listen there. This is the irregular polygon shape. What is the shapes and all there have find there. See there, this one line is drawing, that one, this one triangle AFB is the first triangle. First one you find its area. Area of the triangle is, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into B into H first. AFB for find it the area. Second one, see there DHC also one triangle. This is the second triangle. Next see there EGD, this one also third triangle. Next this full shape is another one triangle. Now total number of the triangle is how much triangle? 4 triangle. This shape you see there HF, full line should not consider here. FHCEB, this is one trapezium. This is one is the trapezium. First understand the figure and do it the work. Area of the triangle formula you know. So height equal to 6 meter, base equal to 3 meter. First find this area. First figure step 1. Area of the triangle AFB equal to 1 by 2 into B into H. B value equal to, what is the value? 3. Height value equal to H. You taking this is B, this is also base. Height. So B equal to 6 centimeter and meter, H equal to 3 meter. B equal to 6. H equal to 3 meter. These two values substitute here and write it the answer. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 meter. First step is completed there. Second step, DHC. This another one triangle. Height equal to 5 meter, base equal to 8 meter. The second one for height equal to 5 meter, base equal to 8 meter. You write it. Second one for area of the triangle DHC. 1 by 2 into B into H. B value equal to 8 meter. B value equal to 8 meter. H value equal to 5 meter. These two values substitute here and write it the answer. So 1 by 2 into B value equal to 8, H value equal to 5. 1 2 is 2, 4 8, 2 4s are 8, 4 5s are 20 meters squared. Second step is completed. Third figure first see there, this full length DGH, this full height. So this is 10 plus 5 equal to, what is the answer? 15. Now this one for height equal to how much there? 10 meter. Base equal to 8 meter. Base equal to 8 meter. How do they are coming in 15 meter? These two also are full length find for 10 plus 5 equal to 15 meter. Base equal to 8 meter. The third triangle for area of the triangle equal to DGE. 1 by 2 into B into H. H value equal to 10 plus 5 equal to 15. B equal to 8 meter. B equal to 8 meter. These two value also substitute that formula and find it the answer. 1 by 2 into 8 into 15 meter squared. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 15s are 60 meters squared. Next fourth triangle, this full is height. 6 plus 8 equal to 14. This height equal to, this triangle for height equal to 6 plus 8 equal to 14 meter. Base equal to 8 meter. This is the base. Base equal to 8 meter. This value substitute here. Area of the triangle AGE equal to 1 by 2 into B into H. 1 by 2 into base equal to 8. Base equal to 8 meter. H equal to 14 meter. Now 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 14 14s are 56 meters squared. So 4 steps completed. Next you find in the area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium. This is the A value. This is the B value. This is the height value. Area of the trapezium formula 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. H value equal to 10 plus 8 equal to 18. Now trapezium for H value equal to 10 plus 8 equal to 18 meter. H equal to 18 meter. B A value equal to 3 meter, B value equal to 8 meter. These three values substitute that formula. 1 by 2 into 18 into 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 equal to 11. 1 2 is to 9 2s are 18. So 9 into 11 equal to 99 meter. So area of the total figure equal to step 1 plus step 2, step 3, 4, 5. All the answer add and write. First one answer is 9, 20, 60, 56, 99. Add and get the answer equal to 244 meters square. Therefore, area of the field equal to 244 meters square. Very, very easy the sums. Thank you.